Ever feel like you're stuck in a loop, living the same day over and over? That's your rot era, the moment you realize you're meant for more, but don't know how to get there. Your comeback starts quietly, with a promise to yourself. No grand announcements, no social media posts. Here's the first rule: disappear. Not from life, but from talking about your plans. When you announce your goals, you invite doubt and judgment. Protect your motivation by working in silence. Let your results speak for you. Focus on the work, not the attention. This is your private journey, a conversation between who you are and who you're becoming. Let your transformation be your secret weapon. The world will notice when your change is undeniable. To become someone new, you have to let go of the old you. Starting with your environment. Declutter your space. Get rid of clothes, items, and habits that tie you to your past. A clean space signals your brain that you're serious about change. Next, declutter your digital world. Unfollow accounts that drain you, delete distracting apps, and clear out old messages. This isn't erasing your history, it's curating your present to support your future. You're the architect of your new identity. Like an actor stepping into a new role, you build your character through choices and habits. Create a vision board. Collect images, styles, and ideas that inspire your next chapter. This is about building an authentic, exciting version of you. Let go of what no longer fits. Make space for who you're becoming. Now set the standard for your new era. Don't just wish for change. Define it. Ask, who do I want to become? What does she do daily? How does she act? Write down the habits, mindset, and actions of your future self. Be specific. This vision is your North Star. Every decision should align with this standard. This isn't about perfection, but direction. Your new standard is an act of self-respect, a blueprint for your choices. Clarity keeps you moving forward, even when it's tough. With your vision clear, it's time to build skills, and your phone can help. Your phone isn't the enemy, it's a tool. The key is how you use it. Stop being a passive consumer. Start learning. Swap mindless scrolling for tutorials, podcasts, and articles that move you closer to your goals. Follow your curiosity. Learn what excites you. When you're genuinely interested, learning feels like an adventure, not a chore. Every minute spent learning compounds into real growth. You're not wasting time. You're investing in yourself. Next time you pick up your phone, ask, am I escaping or am I building? Choose to build. Vision and knowledge mean nothing without action. This is where your comeback gets real. Break the pattern. Do what you've never done before. Step out of your comfort zone, even when it's scary. Every new action is a vote for your new identity. Sometimes, you'll need to let go of people or situations holding you back. It's hard, but necessary. You can't soar with anchors. Progress isn't about perfection, it's about courage and consistency. You'll stumble, but keep going. Your comeback is built on small, brave choices, day after day. Your new life is waiting. Go claim it.